Welcome to our exploration of AI tools for content creation in 2025. In this video, we'll highlight the importance of AI in modern content creation. Join us as we dive into the game-changing innovations that are reshaping the industry. First up, AI-powered writing assistants. These advanced tools are not just about grammar. They boost creativity and style, making the writing process exponentially more efficient. Next, we have visual content generation tools. With just a simple prompt, these AI systems can create stunning graphics and videos, revolutionizing visual storytelling. Now, let's examine the latest in voice and speech synthesis technologies. These innovations bring your content to life with realistic voiceovers that resonate with audiences. Moving on to social media automation tools. These AI solutions help optimize posting times and content suggestions to boost engagement across platforms like Instagram and Twitter. Next, data-driven content strategies. We'll showcase tools that analyze audience data, generating insights that tailor your content for maximum impact. Let's investigate AI-driven SEO optimization tools. These help creators improve their ranking and search results through effective keyword optimization and content suggestions. Introducing personalization engines, AI systems that custom-tailor content for individual users, boosting engagement and satisfaction like never before. What about the future? Let's speculate on upcoming developments in AI technologies and how they may reshape the content landscape even more. As we conclude, we encourage you to explore and adopt these AI tools for your own content creation needs. The future is in your hands.